Hi everybody, today I'm here to review this excellent survival bracelet with a knife.
It's designed with a high quality parachute rope
That's braided into a stable fishbone pattern so it won't easily open on you when you don't want it to.
This handy tool is also a stylish accessory that can be worn anywhere, anytime. And the hard, sharp blade can be used for opening packages and cutting into other objects that's useful for outdoor survival. This knife is also useful when it's disattached from the wristband. You can untie it from the wristband to have a standalone pocket knife. The unique patented design of this knife allows you to remove the blade, reverse it, and insert it into the scabbard. The scabbard then acts as a handle for using the knife. Disassembling the wristband also results in a 3.6 meter long parachute rope. This strong rope has many applications in the wild. Once disassembled, the knife makes an excellent pendant or keychain and is perfectly safe to be put inside of your pocket. This survival knife has many different applications outdoors, including as a carving knife.